This comprehensive guide explains the function and installation of dishwasher air gaps, which are critical components for preventing drainage backflow and water contamination. The text details how these devices create a physical break between the appliance and the sink's plumbing to ensure sanitary operation and code compliance. It provides step-by-step instructions for standard mounting while also evaluating alternatives like high loops and check valves. Homeowners can find specific advice for major appliance brands and solutions for troubleshooting common leaks or blockages. Additionally, the source explores aesthetic options, such as decorative covers and under-counter installations, to balance utility with kitchen design.